Bicycles from a group of boys who went missing are parked outside a deep cave in Chiang Rai in northern Thailand. Thai Public Broadcasting Service AP, about a dozen teenage players on a youth soccer team along with their coach, are believed to be trapped in a cave complex in northern Thailand with water rising around them. They've been there since Saturday, according to officials, and had yet to be located as of Monday afternoon. Police Colonel Kamsan Sargluan told the Associated Press that waters in the 4 to 5 mile long cave system can reach 16 feet during the rainy season from June through October. But officials told the Nation newspaper that they believed the players might be in a dry section of the Tham Luang Nang Non cave, which is located in a national park. A team of Navy divers was dispatched to look for them. But as of mid-afternoon Monday, no contact had been reported. "We have been working almost 24 hours, but there are many limitations," Kamal Chai Kacha of Thailand's National Parks Authority told CNN. The caves are pitch dark, with a very low level of oxygen in some areas, and scattering rains just made our task more difficult. The team went down about 16 feet and found a large chamber, the naval unit reported, but we found no trace of the children, Rear Administration. Our Parker Nikankyu told Reuters, "I believe they're all still alive, but they might be exhausted." The boys regularly go into the cave, a popular recreation destination, after their Saturday practices, according to the Bangkok Post. But on Saturday, they did not come out, and authorities say the young people may have been trapped by rising water from a heavy rainfall that flooded a stream near the entrance. Park officials went looking for them after one of the mothers reported her child missing. He had told her Saturday afternoon that he was visiting the cave. Rescue teams gathered Sunday at the entrance of a deep cave, where a group of boys went missing. Thai Public Broadcasting Service AP, but when searchers got to the entrance, they located only a motorcycle and 11 bicycles, along with backpacks, soccer shoes and other sports equipment. According to the Nation, workers were blasting sand out of an underwater passageway on another side of the cave in hopes of finding the youngsters. The publication said the water inside had reached levels of 20 feet in some areas. The Tham Luang Nang Non cave is in Chiang Rai province in northern Thailand.